It's that cold sinking feeling in your stomach when you wake up and realize everything you've worked for has vanished. Overnight, I thought I'd found a shortcut, an easier path to success in this ruthless US market. But the truth is, there are no shortcuts. Only sweet-looking traps for the impatient like me. It wasn't always like this. I started with so much passion, so much hope. I spent weeks, even months researching scripting, shooting and perfecting every single video, only to be met with the most soul-crushing numbers imaginable. 7 views, and I'm pretty sure 3 of those were me. My patience was wearing thin. Every new video was another burst of hope, followed by another wave of disappointment, a brutal, unforgiving cycle. And then, the internet gives you the answer you want to see. Just one click, one bad decision that can destroy everything you worked so hard to build. The feeling was incredible. A massive dopamine shot straight to the brain. Watching that number climb and climb. For the first time, I felt like a real YouTuber, an influencer, someone on the path to success. I became obsessed with that number. It was proof of my success, or so I thought. But the illusion quickly shattered. When I looked deeper into the numbers that lie, the reality was brutal. 10,000 views, but no one was actually watching. They were just soulless bots. Nothing more, the final undeniable proof. And then it came the email. No creator ever wants to get it. Felt like a pre-written verdict from YouTube. The YouTube algorithm is not a joke. It's a sophisticated machine, designed to sniff out exactly this kind of fraudulent activity. You think you're gaming the system, but in the end, the only person you're fooling is yourself. The ultimate consequence. When you hit rock bottom, the only way to go is up. This time I decided to do it right. A new beginning. Instead of looking for a shortcut to cheat the process, I started looking for a tool that could help me work smarter. Something that could guide me and make the effort count. I didn't need more fake numbers. I needed a real strategy to get my content discovered by the right audience. The first thing this tool did was analyze my video and suggest titles with the highest potential to grab a viewer's attention based on data, not guesswork. It even generated a complete description, perfectly optimized for the YouTube algorithm. This helps my video get understood and recommended to people who are actually interested. The most boring and time-consuming part to keyword research here was now completely automated. I could see which tags were trending and which were the best fit for my content. It can even analyze thumbnails. It showed me exactly why my old one wasn't working and where I needed to improve. A small change in design guided by data can make a huge difference in click-through rate. High CTR 910. The creator clicks the Content Ideas tab. He types in the keyword YouTube for beginners. The AI instantly. This isn't cheating. This is using technology to level the playing field, to give small creators like me a fair chance to compete. Instead of trying to trick the algorithm, learn to work with it, I gave it all the right information so it could bring my video to the right people. And then, the moment every creator dreams of finally came. It wasn't a loud notification for 10,000 fake views. It arrived quietly. A comment from a real person, a genuine connection. This is why I started making videos in the first place. The real reward. Tasta. Then a subscriber, then a like. One by one, it wasn't a flood. It was the first drops of rain after a long drought. Every real interaction is a brick. And I knew I was finally building something that would last. The feeling of gaining one true fan is a million times better than having 10,000 fake views. Building a YouTube channel is like building a tower. You need a solid foundation. Pumping fake views is like building a house on sand. It might look impressive for a moment, but it crumbles at the first wave. But organic growth, it's slower. It requires patience, but every viewer, every comment is a solid brick. But organic growth, it's slower. It requires patience, but every viewer, Every comment is a solid brick. There are no shortcuts to sustainable success. There's only the path of working hard and working smarter. If you're a creator who's struggling, feeling lost, and on the verge of giving up, please don't make the same mistake I did. The obsession with numbers can kill your creativity. Remember why you started. Focus on creating real value, and let smart tools like SeenYT help with the rest. Visit SeenYT today to get started. You might also enjoy these videos next.